Welcome to Real Estate from a Chicken's Perspective. Ladies, I know you have a very busy open house schedule today. 5 or 6 of your very favorites who all have had price reductions. And you want to really narrow the scope because you have your pre-approval letter in hand and you're ready to go. But your broker's not going to go with you to these open houses. And what you've experienced is agents that are not the listing agents hosting those open houses, and they just won't leave you alone. They don't give you a chance to really absorb the beauty of that house and listen for different sounds and just feel the space. So what can you do? That's right. One suggestion is ask your broker for a handful of their business cards and bring them with you. As soon as you walk in that door of the open house, hand it to that broker who's hosting the open house and say, we've got it covered. We really want to just absorb and enjoy this space today. And we'll ask you any questions if we have any. So give that strategy a try, and we'll see you next time on Real Estate from a Chicken's Perspective. Have a great day.